Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change location on your LinkedIn. So first step, in order to change your location, you will have to go to your profile. So click on your profile picture and then view profile. This will show your profile to you, and in order, as you can see, here is the location. So in order to change this location, you will have to go to this pencil icon right here. Click on it. This will give you this editor of your profile. So scroll down until you see location, as you can see. So here you can change the country/region, which is necessary. So, and city. So here you change the city. It is really this simple. Then after you change this one and this one, don't forget to press save in order to save the changes you just made. So it is really this simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.